the chips are being scrutinized, I think, Josh, in a way that it's like if you're in the AI space, by and large, you're good. If you're not like right in the ball game, maybe you're not so good. Chip equipment names have been scrutinized. Lam Research downgraded to underweight. That was at Morgan Stanley today. You sold Lam Research. Why'd you do that?
Well, that was a stop. So that was a name on my best stocks in the market, but then they reported earnings and the stock sold off. And I tried to use the weakness as an entry. The stock went up initially, rolled my stop up, but then I didn't end up making any money. But you know, that's a trade. I think the main event for the chips sector is to have Broadcom come out on Thursday and basically reiterate everything that NVIDIA just said about the demand picture. So just to give people a quick idea, the revenue expectation for Broadcom is $15.8 billion. So that would be a 21% year-over-year increase. On earnings per share, they're looking for a 34% year-over-year increase. This is important. Broadcom is the 7th largest company in the S&P 500 right now. It's another $1 trillion+ market cap company. And again, they have to give you, I don't think they have to come out and say 3 to 4 trillion in capex the way NVIDIA's CFO did, but they have to at least ratify the health of demand for chips. And they're not head-to-head in the same chips, but it's all part of this big AI theme. I think on the equipment side, Judge, so Lam Research, Applied Materials, and KLA are the 3 big names there. I mean, these stocks are high beta names. I still like Lam a lot fundamentally. Technically, I have to wait for it to set up. I like that the best of the 3. But in the end, like, they're still cyclical. As excited as we all are about this secular AI once-in-a-lifetime build-out story, chip equipment is, any capital equipment, it's always going to be cyclical. And I think a lot of people that are in these names, they've had huge gains, and now they're worried about, are we seeing the peak of the cycle? And I'll leave that to the semiconductor analysts to decide. I won't be the one that sees that coming, which is why when I'm involved in these names, I'm typically using stop losses.
Yeah.